What's up, guys? So a little while back I kind of took apart most of the Justy, as you can see with this engine bay, and I wanted to give you guys a bit of a just time lapse of the stuff that I did. A lot of it did get cut out, which kind of sucks, but I wanted to show you guys as much as I could and also give you guys an explanation from like what I'm going to do or what the plans are for me to do. But as you can see in here, it's pretty bare. I had to get a new radiator. It's almost completely cleaned out, and I'm going to have to actually tear all this out so that I can finish it. Already spider webs here. Not fun. I'm gonna have to hurry this up before a Black Widow freaking lives here. But so I want to show you guys what I've done, and I want to give you guys a brief overview of what's going to happen to the car. I have some ideas. I want to just, let you guys know and about how long it should take me. This is already taking me a lot longer. I have the engine that I'm working on right now. A couple things keep popping up that making it harder for me to do. So hopefully that's going to get finished sometime soon so that I can put it in, get it wired, and get it running. So stay tuned and I'll let you guys know more about that. What is up, guys? So as I'm working on the Justy, I have decided to take apart the subframe of this WRX, of the rear subframe, and hopefully be able to transfer the whole suspension as much as I can from this car into that car over there. The idea is so that I can have more of the wider suspension and more of the better suspension parts, because I don't think that those small wheels will be able to handle nearly as well. So I'm going to try to transfer almost everything I can from the WRX into the Justy. So everything is kind of happening at once here for me. I'm working on the engine, I'm finishing up with the Justy, cleaning absolutely everything out, and I am trying to take the subframe from the WRX over to the Justy. Hopefully I can get all the suspension from the WRX parts in, because I'm already gonna use this. See if I can, I'm already gonna use all this stuff. So hopefully I can take the rear subframe and put it in there, or just the suspension. I don't know exactly. I haven't looked too much in the suspension, but hopefully I'm able to transfer everything so that the drivetrain and everything will transfer, and the axles will be able to work, because I don't want different rear axles than front axles. I just want to take a little bit of a break in the video to remind you guys to please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot. It keeps me motivated to do the stuff like this, because it's a lot of work and a lot of money. But if you guys want to see more on this build, let me know so that I can, keep working on it. It's been kind of cold, but if you guys let me know that you guys want to see this, I will definitely work harder on it. So yeah, enjoy the video. Okay, so I finally finished pulling the rear subframe and the suspension. Now I had to take off one of the things, those. I had to take one of them out because it wouldn't fit under the car, and I didn't want to fully lift up this as far as it goes. Anyways, this is finally out. It's on a little cart thing, and now I'm going to wheel that cart to there, and I'm going to hopefully be able to start measuring stuff out today. But right now I need to wash this as well as I can. That is what I'm going to be doing for today. So hopefully I can line this up tonight and then see what I'm going to have to add, because I'm not going to do any cutting or welding or anything tonight because it's a little late and I don't want to piss off my neighbors too much. Pretty tired, but so I'm just gonna do this by hand. But this is almost fitting in here. It's going to be fine. I'm gonna drill the holes into there to make it be able to fit, but I might need a camber plate, or else these are gonna be nice and cambered in the back. Over here, I don't know how well you can see that with this glare, but there's the hole where this is gonna go. There's a gap over here, so I might need to either get frame from that car and weld it into here, or buy from a metal shop. Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna have to drop these because they're almost in, with this still not being even close. So right now I'm going to adjust these. I'm gonna do everything off camera and then lift it to see where I'm at. Okay, so because I've been doing this all at night, I didn't do too much more cutting, but I ended up having to cut a little bit on the inside, just some trims, and then I decided to just hack a bunch of stuff because I'm gonna be doing some finishing touches later. Something is still stuck here, but this thing is about to drop, as you can probably see. And then, I don't even know when I'm gonna get back to this. So yeah, this is about it for now. Here's where we're at, and here's where I'm gonna end it off. Engine is covered because it's been raining past few days. Today's not as bad, but it still might rain. I've taken off the main, like, the structural frame. Because the WRX is unibody, I can't just take off the frame. So this is mainly just structural, so it should be good. So I'm going to weld it to the structure of this Justy, as well as cutting off some of this front frame and replacing it with this front frame, because this front frame is strong enough. So just to fit it, I'm going to have to cut some things in the engine bay, which isn't ideal, but it's what I'm gonna have to do. I may have to cut off this front section. I'll have to see if the engine will fit. But for now, that's going to have to be it. This is all that I've done. Next time you're going to see the Justy, I'm going to clean all this up because, as you can see, I started it and I started practicing some welds on it. Next time, hopefully I can get this frame into that car, and maybe, I kind of doubt that I'm going to be able to get the rear section on. We'll see. But if I can get this in without any issue, that'll be great. So yeah, hopefully I can get the frame in by New Year's because I'm going to be taking a trip. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, if you're not subscribed, do so. It helps me out a lot so that I can keep having motivation to actually do this, because this is a lot more work than I anticipated, as usual. But yeah, so stay tuned. There's still a lot left to do. Even after the engine is in, I have to wire it, get brakes in, make everything work, and hopefully be able to actually get it to be able to drive on the road legally. We'll see if that's going to be possible. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time.